If you're looking for a powerful, travel-friendly power bank, 25,000 milliamp hours, this just might be the one, I'm telling you. Let's get into it. Welcome to We Shoot Films, where I teach content creation, filmmaking, and Unreal Engine, and also do product reviews that help support all of those topics. So if you're into that, make sure to subscribe. Now, any of you sent me this power bank for me to review all my words on my own, and I gotta say, this thing is amazing. It's small, travel-friendly, powerful as you can. I mean, this thing is no joke. But let's get into the specs real quick. Let's go. This is a 100-watt power bank, 25,000 milliamp hours. Crazy. It has one USB-A at 18 watts. Then we have a USB-C at 45 watts. Then you have a USB-C for 100 watts that's in and out. It also supports Samsung Super Fast Charging 2.0. So if you got that Samsung S24 Ultra, it's gonna charge it up to 75% in 30 minutes. And the recharge for this is about 1.4 hours, not that bad. So as I mentioned, this is travel friendly. You can travel with this without a problem and, you know, charge all your devices, not even have to worry about losing power or trying to share something on the airline or when you're waiting for your flight, trying to pick a, you know, get somebody to let you use an outlet or a charger. You got your own, man. You know what I'm saying? So I hate asking people. Just keep your own, man, for real. So it comes with one USB-C cable, obviously the unit, and then a pouch that you can put it in so you can keep it nice and protective as far as, you know, no scratches and stuff if you're traveling with it. Now I'm gonna just read off some charges. If you got an iPhone 15, you had about 4.5 charges with this. Samsung S24 Ultra, 3-point charges. MacBook Pro 13, 1.3 charges. iPad Pro, 1.5. AirPods Pro, 28 times. That's bananas. Now remember, whenever you're dealing with this and you're charging your devices, it is good to use 100-watt cables if you can. When you use these, you know, you're gonna lose power. Like if you're just using 100 watt out, you got the full 100 watts. So I would say if you wanna get the most power out of this, you use the USB-C, not the USB-A. But don't get me wrong, you can use them all. If you got the time, hook them all up and work. You know what I'm saying? Let things charge up. Look at it, it's smooth, it's nice, it feels good. There's not much to it. When you click on the side right here, there's a button on the side right here. And when you click on there, it tells you the readout of what's left, you know, in the charge here. You gotta be charging this at the same time charging other stuff, okay? So just remember, if you need to use all three, you know what I mean, put the whatever your most powerful is needed on the 100-watt port. Because if you use all three, the 100-watt port is going to turn to 65. All right, then the other two are going to be 15 watts each. Okay, but if you want the pure 100-watt power, just one in there and you good. But you know, use them all, man. Don't even worry about it. Now let's do some tests real quick. You know what I'm saying? I got my phone, but everybody charges their phone. You know what I'm saying? Let me grab a light. See what we got here. This is the amazing Zhiyun M20C. Yep, I think so. Yep, M20C. Love this light. Let's do this light. See what we got. There you go. So that's on. All right. Shoot. Batteries. You know, this is the type of stuff that we use to charge stuff, man. Batteries and phones. Let's grab this big boy. I love this light here. This is the C100 from Zhiyun. Amazing light, one of my most used lights. All right, so here we go. You see that? Let's see what's in. We're gonna plug it in here. And it's on. You see it turned on. Hopefully you can see that. It turned on. It's actually charging this bad boy, but let's turn it on, see what happens. and it's on all day. I'm telling you, this one thing is charging all of this stuff. You know what I'm saying? Or I could take it out, charge my phone. You got wireless packs, charge the Rode. That's kind of crazy. Now this is only limited to 65 watts, but still you're able to use it. You know what I'm saying? Like if you have to, you could charge all this stuff, man. And so, you know, let me turn this off. So I think it's all useful. I think this thing is amazing for what it does, how small it is. This little thing is just amazing and powerful for what it is. But, you know, let me get this stuff off the table. Hold on. So there you go. You've seen it charge all of those things. I love these things, and I always tell even my kids and my wife, always keep a power bank with you, because you never know. You could be stuck somewhere, you know, like something happens. You need power for your phone at least. You know, that it don't run out so you can make an emergency call. These things are very important just to have, you know what I mean? Not just, you know, they're important all around. Even for my cameras, I could charge my cameras with these, my camera batteries with these. You know what I mean? Like, this is dope, and it's so small and so powerful. Man, I'm happy they sent this out to me. I ain't even gonna front. This is for everybody who uses power. Power is one of those things that we hate to purchase, we hate to talk about, but we all need. We all need power, you know, to power our phones, our devices, our computers, laptops, MacBooks, our iPads, all of this stuff. You know, our cameras, our small lights, you know, even you saw me power that light right there. It's all good, and when you need it, you have it. So it's great to have these. They're not that expensive. They weigh under $100 usually. They change, the price fluctuates, so I'm not gonna give you a set price. I'll have a link in the description below. But I say if you're any type of content creator, or even if you're not a content creator and you just need something that, you know, you could travel with, hassle-free, with a lot of power, this is the one for you. It's definitely have been great for me so far. I'm gonna be going on a trip pretty soon to shoot a documentary. I'm definitely bringing this with me. So we know all the pros. I've already mentioned pros for this. All the great stuff I've said, those are the pros, okay? The cons, I don't see a con. You know, if I had to pick what I would have to say, I think these battery people, these people who are creating batteries, especially for us content creators, it would be great if they can create a quarter 20 mount so that we can mount these. So it'd be easier to deal with for our rigs or whatever it is we want to do. It'd be great to have a quarter 20 on these. But that's about it. You know, that would be the only con. I don't really see a con with this. It's a battery that does what it's supposed to do. So, you know, take that for what it is. And it's a quality battery. If you think you'll like it, the link will be in the description below. Go ahead and purchase it. You know, I appreciate you use the link. Gives me a little something, no extra cost to yourself. Other than that, any of you, appreciate you for sending this out to me. Make sure to subscribe, hit the bell on the side so you get notified on time. And like I always say, it is what it is. I'm out, y'all.